A whole lot of niggas want Big to make a demo tape, especially that bum ass nigga R. This going out to you, nigga. Recognize, yo 50, what's this? Murderer, mass mayhem maker. B.I.G's on the mic, call the Undertaker. Make an appointment, schedule an interview. Because you know what? A whole lot of niggas want Big to make a demo tape, especially that bum ass nigga R. This going out to you, nigga. Recognize, yo 50, what's this? Murderer, mass mayhem maker. B.I.G's on the mic, call the Undertaker. Make an appointment, schedule an interview. Because you know what Big Man's about to do. 50 grand on the tech beat at the right beat. Brothers wanna hear the words Big Man speak. The microphone I'm ripping, the burner got the clipping. Slamming the seats like sound sipping. Old gold coal is the rhyme you stole. Puffing on dime bags and I've been told my words are harder than a brick. Chinese arithmetic, a thick stick and my dick makes me sick when you pitch the wick whack rhyme G. You keep it to pumping the tick tack time see. The B.I.G moves swifter than a ninja. Even a stick up on the master. Keep my eyes open and the case closed. No eyewitnesses, no names are exposed. There's the heavy set one with the big gun and a sweet tongue shaking down everyone. Look like Michael Jackson, kick like Bo Jackson, bitch like Freddie Jackson. No need to action the crew. Ooh, no frontin', no making moves, fighting the fucking smack the fool and disagree, recognize the pedigree. Rhyme is mine cause I said it's me. Step to a big man gripping the mic stand. Keep a band rolling so through 50 grand. And I give you my hand cause you deserve a pound. Trying to blow up the spot in my part of town. Raised because it get no praise. I teach it like a talent. Recognize I don't fuck with the St. I's. B.I.G down with OGB. Old gold brothers for the others that miss me. The crew stay deep, fall Beckford and Quincy. Knives in the pocket for a quick hand to hand. You wanted to be on, there's a check in the garbage can. I pull business like Kim Fields, Brick Shields, 7 long, cotton tall. Word is born, I'm a dog. I spin him and run up in him, I fuck him and then I stuck him, I hit him in the center and forget her. And it gets better. B.I.G, all the letters, niggas know the better. That's the end. What you want me to do? Damn.